Coffee grinder, Keenstone electric coffee bean grinder mill grinder with noiseless motor, one-touch design, home and office portable use. Also for spices, pepper, herbs, nuts. The efficiently grind electric coffee grinder with a powerful 150-watt motor and stainless steel blades, designed.The 70 grams capacity lets you grind enough coffee and meet your needs.The one touch. 9multiple uses efficient electric grinder, not just grinding coffee bean. Our grinder can also grind spices, nuts, herbs, pepper, seeds, grains and more into powder around 20 seconds. The longer the beans are ground, the finer they become natural and preserve more flavor and aroma. Double safety design. To ensure your safety, the coffee grinder can only be operated when the lid and stainless steel cup have been inserted correctly. Built-in smart overheat protection and high-duty motor housing which are durable for long-time use. Euros quality above our grinder, crafted with the same essence as traditional German precision machinery. Our Morpillet precision grinder is designed and tested through 3 professional-grade inspections to outlast and outperform the competition, and the grinds coffee with built-in smart overheat protection which is durable for long-time use. And transparent lid for easy observation. Grind ingredients exactly how you want. Customer service. We promises that timely customer support within 24 hours. We make effort to create functional and durable products that will improve quality of your life. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.